Okay, so today we're going to be going over the HP Chromebook. We're going to go over how to use the internet, some apps you might have, and also some settings. So this is what my screen looks like. Here are my shortcuts. Yours might look a little bit different than mine. They also might be on the left side here or maybe the right side. It just depends on your model. So right here, this is Google Chrome. So this is the internet where you can search websites or go to Google. This is Outlook. You might not have this one, um, but you probably have this one. This is Gmail. If you have a Chromebook, then you probably have Gmail. This is Google Docs. This is where you can write up documents, you can print them off, or you can save them. This is YouTube, where you can watch videos. This is your files. So if you save an image from your email or from the internet, it will be here. This is Google Drive. So if you typed up something from Google Docs or Google Sheets or Google Slides, it will be in this Google Drive right here. Okay, so next, this is your launcher. So this is where some of your apps are going to be. You can also search from Google right here. It says you can search your device, your applications, or the web. So we're going to X out of that. We don't need that right now. Okay, so to make this come up, you just hit the up arrow. And so these are some different applications that you have. We'll go over those later. So I'm going to click on this to make it go away. Okay, so let's go to the internet. So remember, we're going to go to Google Chrome. That's the colorful button right here. So let's click on that, and that'll take us to the home screen. So from here, we can type in a website right here, or we can use Google right here. So this is your address bar, this long white box up here. That's your address bar. See how it's blinking? It's ready for you to type. Okay, if it's not blinking, then you see it says search Google or type a URL, which is a website. So you just click on that and it starts blinking again. Also, when you move your mouse over it, see how that line comes up? That means you are able to type in that box. So click in that and let's say you wanted to go to Facebook. So you would type in facebook.com and then hit enter. Okay, so let's say now you wanted to go to the New York Times. So you would type in newyorktimes.com and hit enter. And that'll take you to the website. But if you don't know the website, then you can Google it, New York Times newspaper. And that'll take you to Google, and then you can find the website right here, New York Times. Okay, so let's say you wanted to look up chocolate chip cookies. You just wanted to Google a recipe. So you would go to this top address bar. So now all these recipes pop up. And maybe you wanted to look at another one, maybe a vegan chocolate chip recipe. So if you wanted to stay on this page, but also look at another recipe or another website or something, then you go over here to this plus sign, and that opens up a new page. So we're going to click on this plus sign, and and that brings you back to the home page. But we still have this one open, this original chocolate chip cookie recipe. Oops. So let's Google vegan chocolate chip cookies. Okay, so now that we're here, we could click on one of these recipes. And we can look at this one, this page, and then we can go back to this one. And to tell the difference, you look at the top where it says chocolate chip cookie recipe or vegan chocolate chip cookies. That way you know where the pages are. Okay, so now once you're done with the vegan chocolate chip cookies, you hit this X, and that just closes that second page. Okay, and so now once you're done with this internet page, you go to the X in the right corner, and that closes the internet. Okay, so going back here to the launcher, click on that. Going to use the arrow to bring it up. So these are the different apps that you have. So remember, this is Google Chrome, this is your internet, this is Gmail, this is Google's email service, this is a calendar. This Get Help button you can use if you are connecting Wi-Fi, if you're connecting Bluetooth, or if you're connecting a printer. There's some other topics, but I can't remember what else is on there. This is Google Maps. If you want to put in a direction, you can go here. It'll tell you the miles, the hours. It'll show you the route to your destination. Google Drive, remember that's where your Google Documents, your slides, and your sheets will go. So these three right here, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, they'll go right here in the Google Drive. Okay, Google Sheets, it's similar to Excel. It's like a spreadsheet where you can put in numbers. Slides is like for presentations. It's like PowerPoint. YouTube, that's where you can watch or record videos. Google Play Music and Google Play Books. So this will have music and this will have books only if you purchased music and books. If you did not purchase anything, then these will be empty. Google Play Movie, the same with Google Play Movie. If you purchased or rented a movie, it will be here. They do have free movies, but I don't recommend any of them. They're kind of low budget ones. This is a calculator. Files, again, is where if you downloaded an image or a video or a PDF, it will be here in Files. Sticky notes, it's where you can write notes. This is your camera button. So if your computer has a built-in camera, you can go here and take a picture. So let's click on these and see what happens. So let's use the calculator. So let me go back. See how I clicked on it and it popped up? So now you can type in a number and get your answer. If you're done with this, you can exit it and it goes away. And then remember here, you can use this Google search bar. So you could type in, again, cookies, and it takes you to the internet. Okay, we're done with this lesson. So next time we will go over some of the settings.